Yo, what's going on YouTube? Hey, it's your boy Young KD, not the old one. Hey, it's super sunny outside right now. Hey, today I'm gonna be going over the new membership on Bandlab, man. Got a lot of cool new updates on it, and I'm trying it out for y'all so y'all don't gotta buy it, so y'all can see if y'all want it or not, man. Without further ado, man, let's listen to the song that we mixed with some of the effects on Bandlab new membership. The same song from last video, so if y'all already heard it, y'all can skip it. But the quality is better because I use some of the new effects for the membership. But hey, man, let's go.
Young nigga so high, I just popped the sand. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. My neck, my ears on froze. Bad that bitch she chose. You nigga don't stick to the code. Young nigga stay on the road. On the tight, nigga roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Pop out with a black coat, with a glove, nigga like a spy.
I'm gonna show y'all what they let you know once you get the membership, what they show you, everything that you get. Let me show y'all that right now.
If dripping was a crime, I would be guilty. Got these hoes all around me tryna milk me. They tryna take all of the bread. You can't get the fucking money. Take all of the bread. You can't get no fucking money.
Hey, the two main things that I like the best out of the whole membership is the EQ, the customizable EQ. It's not a graphic EQ, it's like a parametric EQ. That comes in handy, man. It's very effective. And people that got the membership, they can add more effects on their vocals instead of just 8. Also, the natural sounding Autotune, man, they got a natural mode, man. It makes it sound a lot better. Let me show y'all everything right now. Let's go over some of these effects and stuff. Right now, I'm about to show y'all how to work the EQ and how to work the natural Autotune, and I'm gonna go over some of the other settings and everything with y'all. Let's go ahead and jump into this membership, man, and see what's going on. Okay, if you know anything about EQ, y'all know we gotta search around and find the bad frequencies. So what you wanna do is make your this band right here, make it narrow, make it thin as possible, or thin as you want. Go up, sweep around left and right until you hear a really bad frequency. But keep in mind when you boost up that high and you search through, everything gonna sound bad. So just go for the worst frequencies and you dip it down a little bit until it sounds better. I'm gonna show y'all how I did that right now.
Tight nigga roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. On the tight nigga roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. On the tight nigga roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. On the tight nigga roll the whole 3.
Yes, man, this sounds way better than the graphic EQ. It's a lot more control. But even though I got the membership for the little 3-day trial, I'll still be using the graphic EQ too, because it's just simple to use and you can still take out bad frequencies. And I'm so used to it, man, you know what I'm saying? But the natural Autotune, let's go over that right now, versus the classic, so I can see how it sounds.
Blood nigga like a spy. Pop out with a black coat, with a glove nigga like a spy. Pop out with a black coat, with a glove nigga like a spy. Pop out with a black coat, with a glove nigga like a spy. Pop out with a black coat, with a glove nigga like a spy.
Murder and rum, what the fuck you thought? Must've thought I was dumb. They know I'm on my mind. You'll get hit with drums. Murder and rum, what the fuck you thought? Must've thought I was dumb. They know I'm on my mind. You'll get hit with drums. Murder and rum, what the fuck you thought? Must've thought I was dumb. They know I'm on my mind. You'll get hit with drums.
Walk around this bitch with about 20 bands. Young nigga so high, I just popped the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this bitch with about 20 bands. Young nigga so high, I just popped the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this bitch with about 20 bands. Young nigga so high, I just popped the sand. niggas so high, I just pop the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this beat with about 20 bands. Young niggas so high, I just pop the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this beat with about 20 bands. Young niggas so high, I just pop the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this beat with about 20 bands. Young niggas so high, I just pop the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this beat with about 20 bands. Young niggas so high, I just pop the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this beat with about 20 bands. Young niggas so high, I just pop the sand. Way too hot, way too hot. Walk around this beat with about 20 bands. Young niggas so high, I just pop the sand.
They can't fuck with you. Yeah, they can't fuck with you. You know, goddamn.
Walk around this beat with about 20 bands. Young niggas so high, I just pop the sand. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. Connect my ears on froze. Bad that bitch she chose. These niggas don't stick to the code. Young niggas stay on the road. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. On the tight, nigga roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Hop out with a black coat, with a glove, nigga like a spy. Hop out. Hop out. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. Way too hot, way too hot, way too hot. On the tight, nigga roll the whole 3-5. If you fuck with me, you better be down to ride. Don't you fuck with me unless you ready to die. Hop out with a black coat, with a glove, nigga like a spy.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all boy, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Plenty new content like this coming in the future. I'm gonna have FL Studio content soon. Waves plugins. I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna be reviewing Wave plugins, doing everything, man. I'm gonna get like either a mini K87 microphone with an audio interface, or I'm gonna get the OC16. Either way, I'm gonna spend about $400 to $500 on the mic, man. So y'all got some good songs coming soon with some good tutorials and presets. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Y'all make sure to hit my Instagram, YSLKD__. If you need a song mix, and I'm gonna rock with you.